So this window is a vertical slider, great for homeowners to know. If it's not working properly, you might notice it went to push their window down and heard a big clunk, saw something like this sitting at the bottom of the window opening. They'll see string on the sill, or they'll see the spring laying there. Sometimes it's in pieces, these little tabs in the corners, and the sash comes up, tilts right out, and we just check the hardware and make sure that these are sash keepers, make sure they're not cracked or broken, they look to be in good shape. And then we'll also just make sure that the balances and the spring doesn't look rusted or anything. The most important thing when operating these is just to make sure you're not holding one side down only, just two hands in the middle, even pressure, straight down, nice and easy.